simple function notation question here. What we're going to do is we're going to basically evaluate all of the functions in the answer choices and see if the x values given provide the f of x values given for each answer choice. And once one of them doesn't work, we can cross off the whole choice. So we'll just start with A, and we'll see what happens. What happens if I take f of x equals 8x minus 7 and I evaluate that for x equals 2? So I'll say f of 2 equals 8 times 2 minus 7. And that's going to be 16 minus 7, which is 9. Over here it says when x is 2, I'm supposed to get f of x equals 11. So already I'm able to cross off choice A. So let's try choice B. F of x equals 5x plus 1. Well, that's going to be f of 2 equals 5 times 2 plus 1. And that actually does, 5 times 2 is 10 plus 1. That actually does equal 11. So now I've got to try f of 3 and see if that works. Well, f of 3 equals 5 times 3 plus 1. That is 15 plus 1 is 16. And actually, so far, this is looking pretty good. 3 and 16. All right. Well, now what happens with f of 4? Well, f of 4 is going to be 5 times 4 plus 1. And that should be 20 plus 1 is 21. And uh-oh, I wanted f of 4 to be 23. So while we might have got our hopes up with choice B, it is not the answer. All right, so let me do a little clearing here, and then we'll do a few more choices. So now let's try C. F of x equals negative 3x minus 9. Let's see what f of 2 is there. F of 2 is going to be negative 3 times 2 minus 9. And you can take one look at this and you see it's not going to work. Negative 3 times 2 is negative 6 minus 9. That's negative 15, which is not at all what we want. C doesn't work. And let's try D. X squared plus 7. Well, f of 2 equals 2 squared plus 7. 2 squared is 4 plus 7 is 11. That kind of works. F of 3 is going to be 3 squared plus 7. 3 squared is 9 plus 7 is 16. Well, this is looking promising. F of 4. 4 squared plus 7 is going to be 16 plus 7, and that is 23. So f of 2 is 11, check. F of 3 is 16, check. And f of 4 is 23, check. D is our answer. And what we'll do really quickly is just, I won't go through all of E, but I will show you why E doesn't work. E doesn't work because of f of 3. 6x minus 1, if that was the case, then f of 3 is 6 times 3 minus 1, which is going to be 18 minus 1, which is 17. That does not work. So, E didn't work, just like we didn't expect it to, because D is the answer. All right.